Hi everyone, welcome to the Simplilearn YouTube channel. Want to build powerful AI agents but are unsure which tools to use? LangChain lets you turn large language models into practical, reliable AI agents. Think of it as a framework that organizes and guides a model, so it can consistently produce exactly what you want. We'll cover the fundamentals, chains, tools, agents, and observability, and explore real products like LangSmith, along with open-source frameworks such as LangChain, LangGraph, and Deep Agents. Then we'll move on to a hands-on project, where we build AI agents that generate social media content automatically. By the end, you'll know how to design, test, and deploy your own intelligent AI workflows ready for real-world applications. Before we dive in, let's start with a small quiz. In LangChain, what is the primary purpose of a prompt template? Your options are A. To connect multiple language models together, B. To define and structure input instructions for a large language model, C. To deploy AI agents to production, and D. To store data in a database. Let us know your answer in the comments below. Let's start with a simple question. Everyone is talking about large language models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and many more. But once you move beyond chatting, you quickly realize something more important: models alone don't build real applications. Real applications need memory, tools, workflows, monitoring, reliability, and much more. That's exactly where LangChain comes into the picture. LangChain is not just a library. It's an ecosystem designed to help developers and teams build reliable, controllable, and production-ready AI applications, especially those based on LLMs. In this session, I'll explain what LangChain actually is, why it exists, and how it helps you build reliable AI agents. We'll also look at the key products in the LangChain ecosystem: LangChain, LangGraph, LangSmith, and Deep Agents, all in simple, practical terms. So let's start with, what is LangChain? At its core, LangChain is a framework for building applications powered by large language models. But rather than thinking of it as yet another AI library, think of LangChain as a glue layer between large language models, your data, external tools, business logic, and real users. When people first use an LLM, they often write a single prompt and get a response. That's fine for demos, but real-world applications require much more. Things like multi-step reasoning, calling APIs, fetching data from databases, remembering past interactions, handling errors, and behaving consistently over time. LangChain gives you structured building blocks to do exactly that. Now, why does LangChain exist? Large language models are powerful, but also unpredictable. They can hallucinate, and they can give different answers to the same question. In most cases, they don't remember things, unless you design a dedicated memory for that, and they don't naturally follow workflows. LangChain exists to turn probabilistic models into deterministic systems. Instead of just hoping the model behaves correctly, LangChain lets you control how the model is used. You break a task into steps, add guardrails, and track what happens under the hood, and a lot more.